Good morning, Selma. I'm Ruth Bella.
And I'm Mia Hurtado, and today is Friday, December 8th, and here are the morning announcements.
Do you know the Selma High Five, believing, encouraging, accepting, respecting, supporting? Learn the five now and walk the walk of our five each day.
Lunch today is hot honey chicken biscuit tostada.
Now let's turn it over to SBNN Connection with Boulevard Munoz.
My first memories, I was born in the 70s, so sitting in the back of my dad's 67 GTO and hearing that engine roar, man, it just built something inside of me, the want or the need to go fast. The sounds, the smells, everything like that was just so amazing. I was just kind of surrounded by that stuff, either whether it was go-karts and three-wheelers, and then later on moving up to motorcycles, and then eventually, being able to drive. I think I had about 21 different cars in high school by the time I graduated. 21 different, not saying brand new, but they were, just some projects that I would fix and sell. I teach automotive technology, automotive service and maintenance, engine performance, suspension and steering, and one of my favorite, small gas engines. So one of the best things I notice as a teacher is when the students come back through that back bay door after they've graduated, and it's just amazing to see them from where they started, either a freshman, sophomore, graduating seniors, and then having 2 or 3 years of experience, coming back and saying, oh my God, the shop is still here, and seeing these young men following their career, whether it's automotive, aviation, locomotive. I mean, the students are flooding the different areas, and it's not just automotive. Transportation is 1/3 of the world's jobs. So getting a Class A license, just driving, working at the Selma Auto Mall. If I go to the Selma Auto Mall, just tons of kids come out that taken my class and found that automotive area to where you become a little bit of an expertise. They have that foundation that they learn inside of this class.
This week's Teacher of the Week is Mrs. Pena, biology teacher here at SHS. Mrs. Pena was nominated by William and Caesar.
William says Mrs. Pena makes biology fun, and Caesar says Mrs. Pena is just the best and most fun bio teacher.
If you see Mrs. Pena on campus, be sure to congratulate her. If you'd like to nominate a Teacher of the Week, use the link in the digital bulletin.
Congrats to Damian Alvarez, Jacob Hernandez, and Daniel Armendariz for placing top 8 at Madera.
And congratulations to Marina Hernandez and Kaylee Salazar for placing in the girls' tournament.
For a visual calendar layout of activities happening on campus for the rest of the semester, check out the What's Up at SHS document in the digital bulletin.
Now let's turn it over to SBNN Spotlight with Max Fierro.
Hi, my name is Nevaeh, and I make sweet treats. I started my business in February of this year. I've always loved baking and making treats, and watching other people have their own business, I wonder why I didn't have my own. And so that was the creation of Nevaeh Sweet Treats on Instagram. You can place an order with me by DMing me on Instagram and letting me know what you want and when you want it by, and I will bring your creation to life. Any advice I would have to somebody wanting to start their own business, I would say just go for it. There's no harm in trying, and if you succeed, then that's good, and if you don't, then keep trying. And nothing is going to be perfect once you first start, but practice makes perfect, and over time your business will be successful.
I predict we're gonna mess around with like a water bottle and like Twinkies or something.
What I predict is gonna happen is that Adonis is gonna have fun.
I kind of messed it up because
What is that? Bro, I would not eat this as a kid, bro.
I don't know why yours isn't good. Done. Are we done before the
I'm
time?
gonna turn vegetarian.
Vegetarian.
I don't want to eat that. Nah.
The last day to purchase a yearbook will be January 31st, 2024. Book prices are now $85 until December 31st, 2023, and will increase to $90 in January 2024.
Books can be purchased with cash or check in the finance office before school or during lunch, or with Ms. Luviano in room 2307 if you have the exact change.
Deposits of $40 are also being accepted to reserve a copy of the book. The remaining amount will need to be paid off by May 2024. Yearbooks can also be purchased online at yearbookorder.com.
Need Selma High gear? Check out the SHS Bear Prints on Instagram at SHS Bear Prints.
Spring 2024 off-campus lunch passes are available in the student office. If you already have a pass, you must apply again for the spring pass.
Please read the requirements on the application carefully. Applicants are due in the student office January 19, 2024.
Now let's turn it over to Campus Voice with Jalissa Silva.
Hey guys, we're back, and today I'm bringing you guys a special holiday episode. Let's go. I'm here with
Tori.
Brian.
Evelyn.
Hennessy.
Christian. Sebastian.
which holiday decoration goes up first?
I'd probably say like just like a ornament, like, or maybe like Christmas lights.
The things that go around the house. The lights. There you go.
The Christmas tree. The star.
Look at this dude.
The Christmas lights. The lights.
Do you put up your tree before or after Thanksgiving?
Before.
Before. After Christmas.
What's your
I'd say after, yeah.
After. Before.
What's your favorite holiday movie?
What's my favorite holiday movie? The Grinch. Elf.
Home Alone.
Elf.
Nightmare Before Christmas or Elf.
I'll probably just say Home Alone.
What gift would you love to unwrap?
A car.
I don't know, a PS5.
Probably some new shoes. My girl.
The class of 2026 invites you to attend an evening in the Enchanted Forest on Saturday, December 9th from 7 to 10 p.m. in the Selma High Dining Hall.
Tickets will be on sale at lunch today through December 7th. Prices are $20 with ASB, $25 without ASB, and $30 for approved guests.
Students must be in good academic standing as of November 3rd grading period, not on the non-privileged list, and have no outstanding debts to purchase tickets. Guest passes are no longer available.
Attention students, the finance window is currently only open before school, at break, and at lunch. If you're needing to make any payment or clear any debts, you'll need to do so at those times.
Attention students, it is not too late to sign up to visit Spain with Mr. Barba. The trip is June 19th to 29th, 2024, and travelers will explore many destinations in Spain and participate in fun activities.
For more information, click on the link in the digital bulletin.
Now let's turn it over to In the Zone with Caleb Contreras.
What is up, Selma? Hi, this is Caleb Contreras, and I'm in the zone with
Julia
and Rihanna.
I've been wanting to know, what is it like playing basketball?
Playing basketball is a really tough, competitive, physical sport, and I feel like it brings you a lot of mental stability and just being able to compete at different levels.
What position do you play?
I am a guard.
I'm a shooting guard/guard.
What are your goals for the 2023-2024 basketball season?
Our goals for this season is to outperform other schools and win league and hopefully winning a Valley Rink.
What is it like adapting to a new coach and coaching staff?
At first, it was kind of tough, trying to adapt to a whole new culture and just having to start over and just kind of working hard to get back to that position that you had.
That's pretty good. Thank you so much for being on SBNN, and have a great season.
Thank you.
Good morning, Selma. Hi, this is Caleb Contreras, and I'm in the zone with
Lawrence.
I've been wanting to ask you, what is it like wrestling?
It's a lot of fun and hard work, but it's mostly about staying disciplined and trying your best to improve yourself.
That's pretty good. How have you been preparing for the wrestling season?
We've been doing a lot of running, a lot of strength training, and we get to spar with our peers, and we have a coach there to keep us pushing and stay motivated.
That's pretty cool. What are your thoughts on the beginning of the wrestling season?
I'm really excited. It's a lot of fun. I like doing the training, staying disciplined, and I'm just excited to use the skills they teach us on a match.
That's pretty cool. Thank you so much for being on In the Zone, and have a great season.
boys varsity basketball team has a home contest today against Central Valley Christian tonight at 8 p.m.
The girls varsity basketball team also has an away contest against Fresno at 2:30.
As well as the boys varsity soccer team has a home contest against Kingsburg tonight at 6 p.m.
The girls varsity team has an away contest against Sanger West tonight at 5 p.m.
If you'd like to include an announcement in our video bulletin, please email Mr. Liao.
Good luck to all Selma High teams competing today.
Never miss the weekly bulletin. Find us on YouTube at Selma High Video Productions.
You can also find us on Instagram at SHS Bear Claw Pro.
Thank you for watching Selma High. Have a great day and a safe weekend. Bear Nation is back.